and I just want that everyone should be attentively listening. So you have the authority and privilege that you can you mute me or any person who is listening you. Why? Because this way you will not be disturbed or distracted towards the voices or the, like sometimes, in the class it happens that when teacher is talking, so students want to interrupt again and again, so we forget what we actually want to convey. So this is also the purpose, and you carry on. That is also good what you said.
Okay, okay. There is another option that I came across, that if somebody is, that making disturbance during the session, and you want to put them in waiting room, you may also do it. For example,
Yeah,
if
yeah, yeah.
somebody is, that is doing something undesirable, that and time and again you are, that warning, and the person is not, that going through your advice, so you may put them in waiting room. So this is
Yeah.
also the option. And then we have the option of chat during the conversation. If unluckily you are not connected, that you cannot be heard by your audience, so you may utilize this option of chat, and you may write down the message, that and through message you can communicate your ideas. Or
Yeah,
among
true.
attendees, other people, students, they want to ask about anything, and they want to ask that particular desired information from one another, so they may that utilize the option of chat during the session without any disturbance. So
And
then,
you have, may I please? Sorry,
yes,
I'm
please.
interrupting.
Yes, please.
You also have this privilege that you can also control that chat room also. If you want them to chat, then they can. Otherwise, you can means stop them from chatting personally. Sometimes it happens that personally also too, people are chatting with each other. So host knows that who is chatting. Okay, so the host has the authority that he or she can stop them from that. They can have the in the settings they can do these all things.
Yes, of course, ma'am. And most importantly, for example, that uh, if you want to make anybody among your audience as a, that speaker, as a host, you may also utilize this option. For example, at the moment I am speaking to you, but if I, that I come across with a situation that I have to leave this my session, so I may nominate anybody among those people uh, who are not host, who are basically guests. Among them, anybody can be selected as a host of the session. Is that right?
Yeah, 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 it's also true.
Okay,
Bilkul true.
then we have the option of screen share, in which we have different features. For example, I'm going to share with you whiteboard, the option of whiteboard, that mostly the teachers who are, the teaching mathematics or different other theoretical subjects, so they are highly in need of the use of whiteboard. They may also utilize this option. For example, can you watch the whiteboard on your screen at the moment?
Yeah, I can watch.
Okay, here we can, that drag any kind of, that shape, or we can write down a text as well, for example, and we can erase the thing that we have, for example, written here. I erase this written thing, and then, for example, I write here, how are you? Is that
Hmm.
fine, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah, it's totally fine. It's good.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Yes, you
Hmm.
can save it, you can clear it. There are many options. You can undo it. You have done something unconsciously. You want to undo it. You can undo it. And you have different, that uh, different. You can drag different shapes. For example, like a circle. Like, I am not much acquainted with these. You can put any kind of, anything you can do in this particular, that option of screen share. And then, for example, you have a file to be shared with your students. uh, so you can share, for example, at the moment I'm sharing my CV with you. Can you see it?
Yeah, yeah, I can see.
Yes.
Impressive. Yeah, good.
Then you may come to advanced uses of this, that screen share, and in which you see that uh, portion of screen you want to share. You want to share anything like music from your computer as well. Any content from second camera, you can use it. You have certain files at your Google Drive, and are certain other files related to your subject, you can also use them.
Hmm.
And then
Exactly.
there is a, that if you are, that speaking, and during the speech you feel that the particular debate is not suitable to be recorded, so you may pause your recording. At the moment you can stop your recording, and that particular portion will not be included in your recording. And then, for example, most importantly, being a teacher, you are attending the presentations of your students, and you want to give them some kind of reaction. So there is an option of reaction. You can clap for them. You can, that you can appreciate with them, to them as well.
Exactly.
And then,
Great.
somebody is speaking among the attendees, and you know that you want to view the speaker, and particularly when they are speaking in camera, so there is an option on the right top of the screen, that is, that speaker view. And you may, that click on it, and now Fozia Hafiz is, that uh, in the it's a kind of, that uh, a bigger picture in front of me that I can watch. So this option is also there.
Yeah.
And then you can
Yeah.
resume to gallery view as well. You can full screen to your whole video, and then you can exit the full screen as well by clicking on escape, or by clicking on the option of full screen.
Yeah. True. That's great.
And further, for example, being a host, I'm speaking at the moment, but I invite you to speak about anything. So, and at the moment, that I have some noise problem in background, and I want to be muted so that this my speaker cannot be interrupted. So I can mute myself as well, so that the speaker can speak without any interruption. Because that it's a high, what is most important, what I think regarding the use of this application, is that there must be, that completely that pen drop silence, that it's a kind of we will have to focus more in term of listening than to be, that in person in the class. In person in the class, we are delivering the thing in a very effective way, because we are, that communicating with the help of body language, with the help of non-verbal elements such as eye contact, gestures, postures, body language, facial expression, and so on and so forth. But when we are, that particularly delivering a lecture, not in video, rather in audio, then our, that audience, they will have to pro focus on, that listening, because they need to listen intensively. Then they would be able to, that comprehend and to get the message. Otherwise there would be barrier in the way of communication. Is that right?
Yeah. 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 It's true. Exactly. You explained so well.
Yes, ma'am.
Please carry on if you have to say something more.
Okay, this is what all I know, and that at the moment I can remember, and I have spoken. Now I would request you to ask me whatever you want to ask me, so that I can speak more.
Yeah, thank you so much, Farooq. Actually, I was just thinking when you were presenting that I just show you the way for towards your destination, and you find the way so well that you explain each and everything. In fact, you go in the depth of these all things and find more, share more with me, and I'm so happy for that because you explained everything elaborately. That I was also thinking that it should be in this way, and hopefully you also share with your students that how to use the Zoom,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
it was wonderful.
Sorry for interruption. Nowadays, basically, I am attending the session of presentations of my student. So what I mostly focus regarding these presentations, that that in other examinations, the knowledge of the student is judged. That what do you know? What is
Hmm.
that what is the thing to be shared? What you are speaking, it matters. But how do you speak? This matters more. So in term of that methodology of teaching, methodology of conversation, we are supposed to focus on non-verbal that elements of that speech, that
Hmm.
it moves your audience the way that you speak. And that non-verbal elements like facial expression, like eye contact, like that stressing on the things, you should speak according to the weight of your vocabulary, according to the weight of your message. And you should not
Hmm.
be in a linear way, either that roaring, or you are speaking too that slow. But you should
Hmm.
speak in a very that according to the demand of your speech, according to the weight of your message. So this is the
Yeah,
thing that is to be kept in mind, both on the part of speaker and on the part of listener as well.
exactly. Wonderful. This is the, I think, basic point which every teacher should know, that, and your words should be with the full of energy and the enthusiasm and also the motivational one. So the
Yes,
students want to listen you. Yeah, you are very right. I think this is the other than the conventional method which we use from centuries, and
yes,
this is the time that we want to inspire your students, then they will listen you. Otherwise, whatever stuff we want to share with them, they will never take interest. For us, like for the obedience, they might be quiet for some time, but that will not affect them actually.
yes.
This is very wonderful point, very good.
If you
What
allow me,
else
I
you
want
want?
to speak a little bit more.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
Up to now, I have talked about different features of that these applications which we use for online teaching.
Hmm.
But at the same time, we will have to face some of the ugly faces of that modernity, in which our students, they are not acquainted and they are not well aware, and they are not educated in use of these applications. So in the most important one, that it becomes one way process, it becomes one way traffic. Most of the time, teacher, I mean speaker, is focusing and speaking and talking and sharing and exchanging the ideas. But on the other hand side, our listener, they remain passive listener. So this is what this should, it should not be there. There must be a kind of mutual interactive, and that a kind of that participation on both, at the end of both parties, so that this that kind of learning or sharing may become a kind of fruitful learning and fruitful sharing. So this is one of the disadvantages, that being unaware of the use of this application, most of the listeners, most of the students, they remain passive and they do not participate dynamically and actively. So they are supposed to be educated, and they are that to be advised to share their views, and they should be invited to have an interactive session with their teacher and with their speaker, as you do in your lecture.
Thank you. And anything more you want to share?
No, you may ask me now if you want to ask me.
Yeah, that is like, see, the most important point is your relationship with your student also, like
Yes,
professionally or formally, how you deal them. Hello?
yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, how you deal with them, like how you like they can share anything of their life with you also. That is not, you cannot involve yourself and touch yourself in everything, but even then, your relationship with student matters a lot. Then they own you, and then they want to listen. Otherwise, in our old time from centuries, we were focusing on the only one method, that is the like obedience. So that's
Yes.
why students don't want.
Yes, you know that probably you have studied different ways and methods of teaching, like GTM, grammar translation method, direct method. encyclopedia method, and so on and so forth. So we often see that in our traditional learning and teaching, the teacher used to be a kind of dictator, and he used to dictate the thing, and would not be, that liking to allow his, that students to take participation in the lecture. So we will have to be friendly with our learners. We will have to forget the boundaries of age and but the boundaries of and the limitation of knowledge. Whenever we are in interaction with our students, like you, we will have to encourage them, we will have to motivate them, and we will have to appreciate them, and this would be a kind of push for them. And second time, they would be more energetic. And most importantly, they would be, that they would be attending our lectures enthusiastically, with zeal and with energy, and with, that in this way, this is the way that we are supposed to be in interaction with our listeners.
Yeah, exactly. Well said. And second thing, one more point I want to add here is that see, in the life we have many critics. Yeah, but if the teacher, we need someone who will motivate us at every single stage of our life. We need it. Without it, you cannot get the petrol or the fuel, which will, charge you for that. That the okay, if I'll not, I'm not unable to achieve anything. So if there is someone beside me and who will always motivate me, no, you can do it, you can do it. We give the
Yes,
positive vibes to students, then it makes 90%. I must say 95% it makes a difference. So
yes,
our being a teacher, our main task is this. And if, like for example, if Zoom meeting is going on and
yes,
your students are attending your lecture, or students, so the first point, if they are not interested, so don't ever start your session with your lecture. Like if you want to talk about Shakespeare today, so don't talk. Just start with the COVID-19, any fun, anything about what's going on in your life, what's good, what's bad, what's said, like informal. Okay,
yes,
when they will be feel it, then relate that topic to them, and just make to them, and just make some kind of the humor in it. Then they will enjoy it also, that okay, this is the way. Then you will see unconsciously they will learn whatever you want them to learn.
yes.
I
I
think I
believe that.
experienced this also. And they, yeah, yeah, sure, please.
Yes, please, please speak, please.
No, no, you, I was listening you please.
I believe that a best teacher must be an actor. One thing is just to tell the other people, and one thing is just to teach the other people. If you will tell something to other people, and they will, that forget the things, and if that you will teach them, they try to remember the
Hello.
things, and remember things are to be forgotten. Are you listening me? Hello?
Yeah, listening now,
Okay,
please.
so if you just tell something to your students, they just, that forget the things. And if you teach them, they try to remember, but remembered things are to be forgotten. But if you involve them, they really learn, and learned things are never forgotten. So being a teacher, we must be an actor. That we must, that action speaks louder than words. This is but that we should speak more with our action and less with our words, and we should be fully
Yeah.
involved, that in the process of teaching and in the process of learning. And secondly, that our profession must be our passion. That the moment it would be our passion, we would not be teaching for salary, we would not be teaching for economical and financial benefits only, but we would be teaching, we would be working to satisfy our soul. And the moment we care about this thing, then we would be teaching from the core of our hearts. This would be the thing.
Well done. It's wonderful. I think that is the full that soul of this conversation, and what you spoke, that is wonderful. I really, it's like I get inspiration from you, and you
Thank
did a
you. Thank
great job. I must be recommending some of the scholarships these days announced by the US embassy. Relo also. Did
Yes,
you
ma'am.
check that, or may I share?
Please share with me through WhatsApp.
Do apply. Why you did not apply from last many years? I think you should apply for those scholarships, and
Actually,
they need, they are.
I was so busy in this process of, that learning and teaching, and that twice I secured admission in two reputed universities of America, but unfortunately, those scholarships not fully funded. That I was supposed to contribute from my part as well, so I was not in that in a position economically, financially, to avail those scholarships. So that's the reason I that lost those opportunities. But currently
I think.
I am selected for 6 month project by HEC, and I have secured admission in one of the universities of America. So on account of this COVID-19, the process is halted. So I hope that after when the things would be normal and I would be, that invited, and I would be availing that particular project.
Yeah, that's great. But they, they sponsor, they do everything by themselves. Like Yusuf, one of our 90s, and many other girls also, they went. I did not apply because as I'm not from the English, my background is IR and this all. So I did not apply that time. So, and I was not secondary school teacher. You are also not. But this time, the one which they announced scholarships, I'll apply that also. I think
Okay,
which
ma'am,
is
you
fellowship.
you are master in IR.
Yeah, I am international relations, but graduation I have done after FSC. Or actually, I applied for the medical, that I could not avail. So then I went for the,
So may
because
I
it was
ask you
useless.
from which particular institution did you complete your
Peshawar,
master?
Peshawar I have done.
Okay, Peshawar. Okay, that's nice.
Right now,
It's really motivating that you are, despite of the fact that you are not from the field, from the discipline of English language and literature, but yet you are so much efficient and so much vigilant and a bold and motivational speaker and a teacher as well.
thank you so much. It's your greatness. Just we learned in our professional life. Universities are a bit, they bring change in our personalities, but other all the till metric or FSC, how they contributed. They never did anything for us. Whatever we learned, we are learning in our professional life. Although I'm from very good institutions, I get my education, but even then, I must say in Pakistan there is no such institution which build up your personalities.
Yes,
But that you have to learn practically. When you are practically involved in the professional life, then you learn everything. So it takes time, and I must say that you should apply for those I'll share with you, and I'll send you the link of those pages also,
so kind of you.
which
I'll be applying for those scholarships.
because that is fully funded, everything is done by them. They provide the, whenever we visit any, like for the relo or the embassy, they that is also fully funded. They provide us the residence in a very good like 5-star hotels, and these all things are done by them. Okay, you should be relaxed, but I was thinking that you should go there because it is for specific time. That is just visit one, and your
Yes, ma'am.
university will also obviously for 6 months, for 1 month, for 2 months. See, exposure matters a lot. I think we should
Yes, yes.
always get the, and you already have, so in you will polish your skills in this way. And you should or you should communicate with these people, Relo and this one. You will get some professional experience, and it will obviously your CV will stand out of the crowd also.
Sure, ma'am.
You're already will be more good in your life when we involve ourselves in service of our society also. So it
Yes,
was
ma'am.
very with you, wonderful experience.
Thank
And
you.
I was not explained that much good way that you even go beyond the whatever I told you. Even you search the all other icons which mentioned in the Zoom, and it's a great experience too.
Thank you.
My
So,
pleasure.
can we leave the session?
Yeah, sure. Thank you
Thank
so
you. So
much.
kind of you once again. Thank you so much for being here to motivate me and to listen me passionately. Thank you so much for the face.
and next week I'll start the new topic with you.
Okay,
Okay,
sure,
I'll
sure, ma'am.
the and I'll
One thing
share
I
with you.
suppose, one thing I suggest, ma'am, for my own improvement, that the more session we would have, the more I would be improved. So I would like to have at least one session in each weekend, which I would be hosting, and I would be sharing my ideas, and would be, that taking your kind information as well.
We will learn from each other. I also learn from you, and the teachers and students, there is the two-way communication, and we learn from each other. Okay,
Sure, ma'am.
don't worry. And I'll share with you the schedule ahead of time, so it should not be disturbance that you will be waiting or I'll be waiting. I'll share that we are going to do this topic, and
Yes,
then we
that's
will do.
great.
Okay.
That's great. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
So
So
thanks.
nice of